what will happen in a drag race between a Lamborghini Revuelto, a Koenigsegg Jesko Attack and a rather special BMW M3 Touring. Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Car Wow. The Lamborghini Revuelto has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 with 3 electric motors, 1 in the gearbox and 2 on the front axle for all-wheel drive. Combined, you have 1,015 horsepower and 1,062 Nm of torque. It has an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,872 kilos and costs from around £450,000. The Koenigsegg Jesko Attack has a 5-litre twin-turbo V8 that produces 1,280 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque when running on super unleaded fuel. That power is sent to the rear wheels only via a 9-speed multi-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,420 kilograms and costs around £5 million. This BMW M3 Touring has been tuned by G-Tech Motorworks. It has a fully built 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six with a new exhaust and now makes 1,000 horsepower and 1,100 Nm of torque. It has all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,865 kilograms and costs, including all upgrades, come to about £150,000. Right, this is going to be really interesting. I don't know what's going to happen. You can never tell with tune cars. That BMW, it's a complete wild card. Could perform, could break. Koenigsegg, it's all going to be about traction, rear-wheel drive. We're not running it on E85, so it's not as fast as a Jesko can be, but still got lots of horsepower. It's got the most horsepower here, but it's got the least driven wheels. And then we've got this, four-wheel drive, plenty of performance, should just deliver numbers day in, day out, but we'll find out. Let's speak to the owners first, though. Hey, Amir, what's your prediction as to what will happen in this race?
Hi Matt, I think it'll be a close one, having seen that BMW take off earlier between the BMW and the Koenigsegg. I think you're left for dust.
I don't think you should be so sure. On paper, you are quicker, but you've got to put your power down. Are you sure you can do that?
I mean, four-wheel drive's definitely going to give you an advantage. Let's see.
MT, in your M3, no chance, but your car has some serious secret sauce, doesn't it?
So this is a £150,000 build. That's including the car, fully built engine, fully built gearbox by G-Tech Motorworks, myself. Obviously, nothing compared in price to this lineup.
Well, first thing we're going to do is a sound check. So I'm going to rev up my naturally aspirated V12 with a Gintani exhaust. My goodness. Go on, Amir. 1-0 so far to the V12. Let's have a listen to your car, MT, your 6-cylinder. Lamborghini, then you say, Amir.
My car.
Really? I'm going to give that to the M3. Anyway, shall we get on with the racing? That's what really matters. Huge thanks to Amir for bringing his car down. Absolute legend. Amir, who's in the car with you?
We wanted to give you guys a bit of an advantage considering we're in a faster car, so I brought my chubby friend Alex.
Alex, come on. What are you doing to our power to weight ratio? Koenigsegg going to be mad going, wait, take that ballast out of the car.
He promises he ate less donuts this morning.
It's your car, you can do it if you want. I'm going to take every advantage I can, so I'm not having anyone in with me, and I'm sure you're the same, aren't you, MT?
Yeah, I've got the shopping in the back though.
Of course you have. Right, have you taken any weight out of that car as well as just tuning it?
So it comes with carbon ceramic brakes. We've got eye-back front springs, a few suspension secret components in there, caster arm bushers, control arms. But yeah, apart from that, it's just a daddy wagon.
Okay, well, we're going to find out if it's the daddy right now. If you're thinking about selling your car to buy something new, you can do it through CarWow, dead easy. All you have to do is click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now, and you can get an instant valuation on your car to see how much it could be worth. Then, if you list it, you'll have dealers all across the country bidding on it. Won't cost you anything to do, and there's no obligation to sell if you don't like the price. Anyway, let's get on with this race.
3, 2, 1.
They all jump started us.
We dropped the Koenigsegg, he had a very poor launch. That BMW is gone.
jump started.
The BMW jumped.
I'm going to inject some ballast.
Yeah, I thought you might. You're very lucky, Amir, because empty in the BMW jumped, so that race didn't count anyway. But I suggest you eject the ballast.
What other weight can I take out of this car?
Sorry, ballast.
3, 2, 1.
We lost traction.
Come on, Matt.
Well, wasn't expecting that. No, the egg's coming now. So, Amir, I think you can probably go a bit earlier off the line. And do you know what you need to do?
Buy a faster car.
Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, past the Koenigsegg.
Come on, Matt. I'm going to do you this time, bro. Let's go.
What's wrong with the Koenigsegg? Woohoo! Amir, is there something wrong with the car?
Something wrong with me. I left it in track mode with no auto shift and forgot to shift again.
Imti, you won that, didn't you?
I don't know what's going on here. There's a £5 million car here, and I've got shopping in the back.
One, let's go.
I've done you there, though, Matt.
I didn't have a great launch then. Right, Amir. Auto shift is on.
Auto shift is on.
No excuses. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I came past the Koenigsegg there.
Come on, Matt. That was a late jump, and I've still done you.
Is he shifting up? Oh, he's coming now. He's not going to catch me. Amir, your launch was pretty good off the line, but then did it bog down or something? Lost traction?
I didn't feel any slip. There was no traction control light coming up, so felt like I had traction.
Do you think it's worth doing another race, or do you reckon that's about as fast as it's going to do? It's up to you.
It's not going to get any faster.
Okay, well, here's the times. So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.5 seconds. The Lamborghini took 9.8 seconds and the Koenigsegg was last with a time of 9.9 seconds. And you might be thinking, that Koenigsegg seems a bit slow because previously I've had 9.6 out of a Jesko Attack. Well, it's because the surface we were filming on wasn't ideal for the rear-wheel drive Koenigsegg. Earlier in the day, we'd also done a load more races with this car against a tuned Suzuki Hayabusa in warmer conditions when its tyres were a bit less worn, and it went quicker. Here's a quick look at that race.
Before our next race, a quick message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, then this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this BMW M4 on Car Vertical. It's got clean legal status but shows a mileage rollback and a single damage record estimated up to £15,000. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code CARWOW for 20% off or follow the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
I'm just going to quickly flash something onto my car to give it a little bit less boost. Is that okay?
Less boost? Why?
It's too quick for you lot, man. I need to detune this.
Don't detune it, leave it as it is.
All right, we'll leave it as is.
Yeah, just stay on. We want to see what it can do. Now we can have a rolling race and we can do it in second gear from around 40 miles an hour. Now I found a great deal on a performance car through Carway. If you want to see what the car is and the deal, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the race. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, here goes the egg. The Koenigsegg is catching the BMW. So Amir, because I've got a hybrid system, I just shot off past you initially, and then you just walked past me, and you just kept on building and building speed. The question is though, Imti, how did you pick up so quickly? Did you have like anti-lag or something?
Yeah, well, I told you it's got the Tom Wrigley and Mike Ball sauce in here. It's been tuned by them. So obviously to build up boost, because it's hybrid turbo, I just flicked a little bit of anti-lag there just to kick me off, and then I was gone.
Thing is though, Amir, did you manage to catch him?
I was closing in on him, but I think he still beat me.
And I unfortunately came last. Anyone else suggest any other race?
Third gear and higher speed before we floor it.
Okay, let's do that then. We'll do a third gear roll on from about 60. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to Gapistan, come on!
Is that Koenigsegg going to catch the BMW? It's closer. Wow, wow, wow. It was pretty much the same thing again, though the gap was closer this time, wasn't it, Amir?
I think 2 seconds more and I would have overtaken him.
I could see it coming back, but there wasn't enough room. Maybe if we started at 70 miles an hour, but we won't do that today. The final thing to do is a brake test. What's going to happen with that? Now, if you'd rather watch another drag race with the Koenigsegg, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If you want to watch the brake test, stay here. God, this car's loud. That was embarrassing for me. I got completely humiliated and destroyed. So, winner was... Oh, MT, what are you doing?
I don't want to leave my hot brakes jammed on, that's the only thing. I should have put the parking brakes on, sorry.
Okay, no worries. So, Amir, clear victory to you.
Yeah.
Are you happy with how your car's performed, Amir?
I think being rear wheel drive is kind of expected. Had we had more space, I definitely think I would have done a lot better.
Definitely 3/4 of a mile you were past the BMW on the rolling race. And yeah, if we'd had a bit more traction, because this runway seems a little bit slippy, so being rear wheel drive only has really gone against you.
Imti, your car.
Proud of it?
Well, yeah, it's such a versatile build, isn't it? I mean, very proud of it. To come here and even be in the same lineup as these cars, it's a credit to my company, credit to my work, credit to the build. Now I'm going to drive home and pick the kids up from school.
Amir, what are you doing? Are you flying home?